Where is Devin?
Welcome. Hey everybody.
Okay.
Welcome back. Last week we cut the floor open and we put a transmission in there, and that's great and all, but there's one big problem, and that's that there's a hole in the floor. So if the transmission explodes, my feet are gonna go bye-bye. So this week, gonna rebuild it. I got me some nice metal that is blue for some reason. I've never seen anti-rust coating on stuff that's blue, but I don't really care. Essentially, I'm gonna take this and put it over and on the sides and stuff. I'm gonna make it all custom and all nice and pretty. But first, before we can do any of that, we have to get all this ready to weld. So I have to get rid of all this nasty, gross insulation. I'm using a heat gun.
It's a blow dryer.
Basically a blow dryer. Apparently there's like dry ice in a can or whatever that you can use to knock it off.
But it sucks.
Couldn't find it, so using this. I got to now clean all this up to get it ready to where I can weld it, so that I can start building the trans tunnel around that. So we're gonna get to that now. Alright, this is what I got done today. Unfortunately, the weather is not cooperating, so it looks like I'm going to miss a week of uploading, but that's okay. I'm going to do a little bit of welding, I think, just because I want to. And then we're going to pack up and have to finish this next week, unfortunately.
"12 seconds later."
Oops.
Alright, it's been about a week since I've been able to work on this. We've got this side more or less done. I need to make a little plate for right here and a little plate for right here just to box those in. And then I need to drill a hole in this so that I can fit a socket through there to get those bolts out. That's why I made that plate there. So now I gotta do this side. I'm gonna tack it up. I'm gonna try to do this in as few pieces as I can, but anyway, I got these two bolts right here. I wanna make sure that I'm able to get them out. And if you look, the transmission is really close to the firewall here, so I'm gonna have to kind of box that out a little bit, so that I can still get the transmission on. So it's gonna have to come out an inch or two before I can actually do it. So what I'm gonna start by doing is making that area so that it can come out, and then finish this whole side. So we get to work now. Unfortunately, I don't got space to get the grinder in. Gotta pull the gas pedal off.
Yeah. That's not loud at all.
Who needs a metal brake? Alright, the tunnel is mostly done. I got this whole side more or less put together. I have a gap in here because I still need to be able to get to that bolt. And so I want to be able to do that, but this is going to be really, really difficult to weld. So I'm going to have to deal with that in a little bit, but I'm going to start welding this side. I'm going to get some of it welded, then I'm going to do these last couple plates, get this right side done, and then we'll tackle welding the other side. Alright, I finished for the most part getting everything tacked in. There's one more plate I have to make, but I'm going to have to do that once I can get the car up and get the transmission out, so probably tomorrow. I don't know. What I'm going to do for the end of this video is, because I don't want to just keep running this video on, and I don't think it really matters that you're not going to see me finish the rest of the welding. I'm going to weld as much as I can today, and I'm going to call it a video, or, you know, we're good on this video. And then off camera, I'm going to finish welding it and painting it when I have time. So, because I'm about to run out of gas, and the air gas is closed on the weekends. So.
Oh.
That was a lot of work. I'm out of gas and I'm losing daylight. Oh, and I inhaled so much crap from all the stuff that's burning under it. But it's pretty good. The welds could be better. I'm probably going to end up grinding them flush. I'll just do all that off camera and finish it up. But yeah, that's this video. Thank you for watching to the end. And bye.